Hello students, today I am going to teach you agglomerative clustering. I have given question in your second assignment. Here I will explain you agglomerative clustering with the help of example. Here it is a university question. Perform agglomerative algo on the following data and plot dendrogram using a single link approach. The given dataset indicates the distance between elements. Okay, here you have given a matrix and the values a distance between elements. Here in this matrix, A, B, C, D, E are attributes, and the here 0 is distance between E and E. Okay, these are distances. Okay. For agglomerative clustering, you have to make dendrogram. What is mean by dendrogram? Dendrogram is a type of hierarchy. Okay, and I will explain you at last what is dendrogram. First, perform this question. Step 1. First, you have to ignore the values above 0 diagonal. Okay, in the given matrix, here this is 0 diagonal. Okay, the distance between a attribute itself is 0. Above the diagonal 0 you can avoid. Okay, and resultant matrix is this. This one is resultant matrix. Here दो तीन चार. Okay. Oh. E, A, C, B, D, E, A, C, B, D. D. Find, put the values here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and below 0 values you have to insert it. 1, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 2, 2, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, and 3, 3, 6, 3, 0, 3, 3, 6, 3. Okay, and second step, find the minimum value, and that is 1. In a given below half 0 diagonal matrix, find the minimum value, that is 1. 1 is minimum, and pair E and A, and you find the minimum value and then make pair at minimum value, and at 1 here 1 is minimum, and make pair. What is the pair? E and A. Make pair. Okay, and find the distance E and A from C, and you have to make new matrix from this matrix. What you will do? You will make find distance between. First you make pair, and then you have to find distance between E and A to C, E and A to B, and E A to D, and you have to use single line approach. The formula is single line approach is here E A to C is minimum of E C and A C. Okay, in the above matrix you will see you can find the distance between EC and AC, and those distances what is minimum you may, and you will insert at that position. Okay, EC, the value of EC is 2, and AC, A and C is 2. So minimum is 2, and 2 comma 2 is equal to 2. So you are inside 2. Okay, same. Next one is distance between EA to B, same procedure. E, B and AB minimum value is 2, EA to D is ED AD 3, EC to B. C to B is previous distance, that was 1. Okay, C to B. Here C to B. C here B 1. And B to D. B to D is 3. C to D is 6. Okay, put the values and make new matrix. Okay, and next step you will use this matrix. Okay, next step, find the minimum in this matrix. That will again 1. Make the pair at minimum C and B. And second step, okay, yeah, find the minimum in new computed matrix, that is 1, and make the pair at minimum value. Step 3, pair B comma C distance at distance 1. Find the distance between EA, here previous values, BC, I have make another pair B comma C, BC, here BC and D, and find the above 0 diagonal, we can ignore it. You may calculate on the below diagonal values. BC to EA. How to calculate BC to EA? Find all the pairs, E comma B, E comma C, A comma B, A comma C. That means 2 comma 2, 5 comma 2 is 2. BC to D, minimum B, D, C, D, 3. You can avoid upper half of matrix. Step 4, find the minimum and again find the minimum and make pair. Okay. Step 4, pair EA and BC. EA, BC. Here I have made pair EA, BC. Here EA, BC. Okay. And find the distance between EA, BC and D. Minimum of EA I have already made pair. EA, comma D and BC, comma D. Here is 3. The minimum is 3. You can avoid upper half. Step, find the minimum below half from 0 diagonal, that is 3. We have find 3 values minimum here. Step 5, make the pair of minimum value at minimum E, A, B, C, D. All attributes are covered, so you can stop here. If your all attributes are have paired, so we can stop the algorithm. And next step is we will draw dendrogram on behalf of this pairing. How to make a dendrogram? It's very simple. Yeah. A, E, A, B, C, D. Okay. Here distance 1, 2, 3, 4. Attributes and distance. Okay. First, in your solution, what you have paired? You have paired E and A at distance 1. E and A at distance 1, and you have paired B and C at distance 1. Paired B and C at distance 1. Then you have paired E, A, B, C at distance 2. You have paired B at distance 2, and then you have paired D at distance 3. So in middle you will draw a line, and from here D, make a line at to distance 3 and join it. This is a dendrogram for given problem. This is a dendrogram for given problem, given data. Okay, here you have make a cluster. How to make a cluster? E comma A is one cluster, B comma C is another cluster. Then you have make EABC. Then here D is another cluster, and you have, this is a hierarchy. This is a agglomerative clustering, hierarchical clustering. HIERARCHI, hierarchical clustering. Okay, I hope आप लोगों ने समझा होगा. If you have any doubt, please send me a message and comments. Okay friends, bye.